par big block. What can I say? See you guys from the road. Alright guys, old Blake Dog's on board and we are on the road to deliver the charger. On the old BC ferry. For those who are not familiar with the coast, this is a regular part of life for us. Good old BC ferries. Got the 6 a.m. sailing this morning, getting a head start on the highway. Talk to you guys soon. Cheers. Sure is hard to beat living on the coast, guys. You gotta love it. Not a bad way to start a road trip. Hopefully the camera picks it up as good as it looks in person. This would be a perfect time to click like and subscribe. Not a very full boat ride this morning, guys. But made for a quiet breakfast. Now we are coming into Sawasin. Should be a good day of driving. The car all bundled up, extra straps on her, tied underneath, looking good. Welcome to the drive. We are climbing the Coquihalla in BC. Yeah, that
Jesus.
Y'all gotta check out these amazing stacks on this second gen Dodge. Welcome to Alberta. Well, it's been an interesting drive today. Our navigation in the truck, it's got no idea where we are and it keeps telling me I'm on an unpaved road. But if you look out in front, it's definitely a paved, divided superhighway. So, not sure what's going on there. And we're coming up on a site that's quite common in this neck of the woods in northern Alberta. And that would be...
Restricted access on route.
Well, we're restricted, hang on. Okay. As we get closer, you'll get a good look at it. It would be, I'll tell you what it is when I get close, but it's what the guys up here would call a module move. So part of the either building, part of a piece of heavy equipment, could be part of what's called a coke tower, etc., etc.
Route recalculation.
Yeah, that's the top of a coke tower. That's exactly what that is.
Hauling.
Yeah,
Oh, boys.
Welcome back, crew. Well, mission accomplished. We have successfully delivered a running, driving, fully operational 1966 Dodge Charger. With the help of Blake and Uncle Bobo, of course. It was a relatively uneventful drive. We should have some fun footage on the way home, though. So I've run through this before, but we have a 66 Dodge Charger 383 factory 4-barrel car. Now, you could have had this Charger with any engine basically you wanted from Chrysler in 1966, all the way down to the lowly 6-cylinder. Some even had 361s. Now, this car happens to have the 383 RB in it, not the B383. If you would, Uncle Bobo, could you please pop the hood for us? Oh, a Blake dog. Blake has given his approval. There we go. No major leaks. There's a small drip from the radiator, but there's an aluminum one on order the owner is getting. Now, we were just looking at making the car drivable, and really it's probably going to drive for maybe a week up north here, and then she's going to get put away for the winter. But next summer, it's going to get some real mileage put on it. Quick overview of what we did. Really just simple tune-up things. We got spark plug wires, new upper rad hose, new lower rad hose. I rewired a bunch of things, new battery, new electronic ignition box, new electronic distributor, new air filter, new oil filter, new oil. We went with the single pop brakes because they work really good now with all the new parts, and Optima battery, etc., etc. I won't bore you with all the finer details, but for the missions we've done, this one really was wonderful and just not a problem at all. But I mean, that's what happens when a car is in really good shape when it gets put away. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We started out with a 66 Dodge Charger, and now we have a Boss hung jet broom. That's right, yeah! All right, I was kidding. We do have a Boss hung. I'm not actually sure, it should be Boss hung. And it is a plow truck. Just a quick Boss hung review. That's right, I said Boss hung. It's a Tiger plow truck, jet broom. Okay, all joking aside, this is actually quite an advanced piece of equipment used to clear snow and dry runways for commercial aircraft at a large international airport. It's a very advanced piece of equipment. So you can see right there, that's the FOD broom. FOD being foreign object debris. That's the jet dryer arm. And then obviously there's the giant plow. It is quite the mean machine. 4-wheel drive, of course. There's a drive shaft and a U-joint for you there, gentlemen. If you can see that there. allowed to do this everywhere. So this guy here is towing a fifth wheel, and behind his fifth wheel, he's got his boat. That is wicked. Truck worn out? Who cares? Let her eat. Just a bit of blow-by.
No wonder why he's having troubles.
No doubt, man. No wonder it's hard to keep the thing straight. He's got the front two axles tucked up. Looks like a logging truck lost its load.
Yeah.